Hey guys, here is a 36-inch TAT UFO ceiling fan. You may recognize this fan from WeFire's channel. That's because this one used to be his. But after a nice mutual trade, it's now mine. It was a perfect set of circumstances because he wanted a 48-inch one, I wanted a 36-inch one. We both had what the other wanted, and one thing after the other, we got a trade. So yeah. So the last guy who owned this, I forget who it was, but they did some custom paint work to it. I think it was the blades. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure if the rest of it was touched up or not, but I don't really care too much about how it looks. If you've seen the fans I hang, I mostly just care if it's clean. And that's about it. But yeah, definitely a cool little fan. Let's get it started, shall we? I'm gonna go over here and pop a squat while we get going. So as with most fans I've hung, most industrial fans anyway, I've been lucky enough to not have to worry about the speed trim because this fan works pretty good on the low I set it on, excuse me. I mean, breeze-wise, it's not an impressive industrial at all. In fact, a lot of these household fans are stronger, such as that Comfort Breeze. I can't even feel air moving on this speed. Oh, I think I feel a little something now. Yeah, this fan is definitely cool looking, but it's a little more form over function, so to speak. I have no idea what year this one is from either. I believe the sticker that tells you that is completely worn off. So yeah, I think that's a pretty good low speed. I like how it looks. All right, let's move it up a little bit. That's about a quarter turn there. I think that's more of a fifth of a turn. Whatever. Here we go, that's a quarter. There's a very slight motor hum to this fan. So it's probably, it's a good indicator for how fast it's going at least, because it didn't look like it sped up too much from the fifth of a turn to a quarter of a turn, if that makes sense. I can feel there's air moving now, but it's very, very weak. So let's do about a medium here, which is another quarter turn. Getting a good little breeze from it now. If you're wondering what that wind noise is, it's a little windy outside today. You're probably hearing my wind chimes going off. Oop. You can now hear the bearings a little bit, I think. Yeah. Bearings are a little rough on this fan. There we go, another quarter turn. Now you can really hear it. And let's go to high, since I'm impatient. Ooh, I think that is about high right there. Yeah, I think it's running on high now. So, yeah. Not a very fast industrial compared to some of the other 36-inch ones. The Marley here and the Caribbean Breeze definitely are faster. Take a seat here. As well as the can arm. Pretty sure my little 36-inch can arm was also faster. The breeze is good though, don't get me wrong. On high, there's a really good breeze right underneath it. It's a 36-inch fan, so you really shouldn't expect it to spread the air very well. This one's doing a good job though. I would say it's on par with the Comfort Breeze. I moved that there because I needed space for another fan, which I'll show you soon. You'll be seeing that video pretty soon. All right, let's do spin down. Yeah, the only indication I had about if this fan existed or not was through WeFire. I've never heard of a TAT UFO until I saw his channel, or when I was with him in person, he showed me this little fan. I'm not sure if we tested it together. I think he tested that one himself. But definitely a cool little fan. Fits nicely on the display here, too. Only problem is I gotta add some color now. There's a lot of white fans. There's just 6 white fans here. But at least you could say all of them are, well, almost all of them are rare. Actually, now that I think about it, that's a Casablanca Ventura. You could expect that in the next video. I don't think that's a very rare fan. Yeah, the painted doesn't look too bad on the fan. It looks all right, I think. Here's 0 to high. Yeah, spin down was pretty quick for an industrial. But once again, that's the bearings. It's about as fast as your typical 36-inch industrial when going from 0 to high. But yeah, definitely a cool fan that's pretty good for. And yeah, there you have it. 36-inch TAT UFO fan. Thanks for watching and have a good day.